Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix unable to initialize Steam API error. Let's fix it guys. Method on, you just need to go to search menu and type Steam. Right click on the Steam and select Run as Administrator and select Yes. Now launch the game and check if the problem solved or not. If not, method to go to search menu and type Steam. Right click on the Steam and select Open File Location. Again, right click and select open file location. Copy this file path. Just right click and copy it. After that, go to search menu and type allow an app through Windows Firewall. Click on open it. Select change settings. Select allow another app. Select browse. Paste the path we copied and press enter. Now scroll down and select the Steam exe file and select open option and select add. In my case, I already added. Search for the Steam and make sure checked private and public both boxes and click on OK. Now check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 3, you just need to open up Steam, right click on the game you're having problem with and select properties. Go to install files and select verify integrity of game files. After getting verified and check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 4, you just need to right click on the game and select properties, select install files and select the browse option. And now double click on find the game file. This is the game file. Just right click on the game.exe and select properties. Go to compatibility tab, uncheck this run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 8 or something you checked, and just uncheck and select apply and OK for save changes. Now launch the game and check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 5, you need to turn off apps like third-party antivirus like of Avast. In your system tray, if any third-party antivirus running, just right click and disable it for temporarily and launch the game and check if the problem solved or not. And also, you just need to close the applications like MSI Afterburner, Rivet Tuner, Razer Cortex, and Game Booster. Just right click and select exit it. After that, launch the game and your problem should be fixed. And that's it for today's video, guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.